So even though it was very multi-ethnic, you still managed to have a very Jewish upbringing and education.
Mm-hmm. My parents wanted to make sure of that.
Right.
My parents were very, they wanted to maintain that hold while being Americans. Right? They wanted to have that Jewish angle because it's what they grew up. It's what they knew. It's their family. I mean, my mother took over Thanksgiving soon after we moved there, and we would have 30 people at Thanksgiving in our house. To this day, my mother still does Thanksgiving even in her apartment, and there are years when there'll be 30, 35 people in her apartment. So it was, while we did, there was always a Jewish bent to it, in a way. I mean, we had turkey and we had, stuffing and cranberries, but there was this underlying Jewish flavor to it all, and I can't quite describe it. It's not that, we weren't pulling out the tongue and the kasher varnishkas and the kishka, but yet, to me, it was a Jewish holiday. It was another Jewish holiday. I can't. I think it's because we got together with family. And it was the same thing that when we were together at Rosh Hashanah or Pesach, it was everyone's around the table, kibitzing, telling jokes, busting each other's chops. And so to me, Thanksgiving was just it was just an extension of our Jewish lives.